Okay, nice. So, ingon na ang mahitabo everyone, okay? Pero dili mag iyong kamot sa ground. Walay kamot na magpukot and dapat mag-create mo o circle. Okay, so I will give you 2 minutes to strategize. And then after 2 minutes, we will execute. And then kung kinsa to maka-endure the longest, will win. Okay? Okay, so your 2 minutes starts now.
Tuyok.